What if your money problem is not low income, but a weak financial foundation? Many people try to save, invest, and build wealth, but their money life still feels stressful because the base is not strong. Bills feel heavy, debt keeps growing, savings disappear, and one surprise expense can disturb the whole month. A strong financial foundation gives your money direction, safety, and control. It helps you know where your money goes. Protect yourself from emergencies, reduce debt, and start building long-term wealth with confidence. In this video, we will break everything down into simple steps that anyone can follow. This is how to build a strong financial foundation from scratch. Let's get started. 1. Know exactly where your money is going. The first step to building a strong financial foundation is knowing where your money goes. Many people earn money, pay bills, spend on daily needs, buy a few small things, and then wonder why nothing is left. The problem is not always low income. Sometimes the real problem is unclear spending. Money leaves quietly through food delivery, subscriptions, snacks, online shopping, and small unplanned purchases. For the next 30 days, track every transaction. Write down rent, groceries, transport, bills, subscriptions, coffee, eating out, and even small app payments. Do not skip tiny amounts, because tiny amounts repeated often become serious money. You can use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app. The tool does not matter as much as honesty. After tracking, divide your spending into needs, wants, and goals. Needs are survival costs. Want are lifestyle choices. Goals are savings, debt payments, and investments. This simple step shows your financial baseline. Once you see the truth clearly, you can create a gap between income and expenses, and that gap becomes a starting point of financial strength. 2. Build a simple budget that gives you control. A budget is not a punishment. It is a plan that tells your money where to go before it disappears. But a good budget actually gives you more peace, because you know what you can spend and what you need to protect. A simple starting point is the 50/30/20 rule. Around 50% of your income goes to needs, like housing, groceries, transport, utilities, and minimum debt payments. Around 30% goes to wants, like eating out, hobbies, shopping, and entertainment. Around 20% goes to goals, like savings, investing, emergency funds, and extra debt payments. This rule does not need to be perfect. If your income is low or rent is high, adjust it to your situation. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. Start by reducing 1 or 2 wasteful areas. Cancel one unused subscription. Cook at home a few more times, or limit delivery orders. A budget gives your money direction, and direction creates control. 3. Build a starter emergency fund. Once your budget is clear, your next step is building a starter emergency fund. This is your first financial safety net. Life can change without warning. A car repair, medical bill, job issue, or urgent family need can appear suddenly. Without savings, these surprises often go straight onto a credit card, and that can create more stress. A good first target is $1,000. This amount may not cover every major problem, but it can handle many small emergencies. When you know some money is set aside, you feel less panic when life becomes difficult. Build this fund as quickly as you reasonably can. Cut extra spending for a short time, sell unused items, pause non-essential shopping, or use any extra income. Keep this money separate from your daily spending account. If possible, place it in a savings account where it is safe but still easy to access. Use this fund only for real emergencies. Protect this money, and if you use it, rebuild it quickly. This fund is your first shield. 4. Remove high-interest debt. After your starter emergency fund is ready, focus on high-interest debt. Credit cards, personal loans, payday loans, and other expensive debts can damage your financial foundation because interest keeps growing. You may make payments every month, but if the interest rate is high, your balance may not fall quickly. This can make you feel stuck. Start by listing every debt. Write down the balance, minimum payment, and interest rate. Seeing the full picture may feel uncomfortable, but it gives you power. Once everything is written down, choose a payoff method. The debt snowball method means paying minimums on all debts and putting extra money toward the smallest balance first. This gives quick wins and motivation. The debt avalanche method means paying minimums on all debts and attacking the highest interest rate first. This usually saves more money over time. choose the method you will actually follow. The most important thing is focus. Do not spread extra money randomly. Pick one debt and attack it. Also, stop adding new debt while paying old debt. Every payment you make brings you closer to freedom, less stress, and stronger cash flow. 5. Capture free retirement money while you are reducing debt. Do not ignore free retirement money if your employer offers it. Some workplaces offer retirement match, such as a 401k or 403b match. This means when you contribute money to your retirement account, your employer also adds money. For example, if your employer matches up to 4% of your pay, try to contribute enough to get the full match if your budget allows it. This is powerful because your money gets an instant boost. You are not only saving from your own income, your employer is helping your future too. Automation makes this easier. Set the contribution to come directly from your paycheck. When you do not see that money in your checking account, you are less likely to spend it. If retirement accounts feel confusing, start by asking your workplace how the match works. Find the exact percentage needed. You do not need to understand everything in one day. Just start with a match, keep it simple, and let time help your money grow. 6. Grow a full emergency cushion. After high-interest debt is under control, build a full emergency cushion. Your starter emergency fund gave you basic protection, but now you need deeper security. A full emergency fund usually covers 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This money protects you if income stops or a major problem appears. Essential expenses are the things you truly need to live. Include housing, groceries, utilities, transport, insurance, basic phone bills, and necessary payments. Do not include vacations, shopping, restaurants, or extra entertainment. This fund is for stability, not lifestyle upgrades. To find your target, calculate your monthly needs and multiply that number by 3 to 6. If your job is stable, your household has 2 incomes, and you have fewer responsibilities, 3 months may be enough. If you are self-employed, commission-based, a single earner, or support independence, aim closer to 6 months or more. Keep this money safe and easy to access. A high-yield savings account can be useful because the money stays separate and available. Do not invest your emergency fund in risky places. Its job is not excitement. Its job is protection, calm, and breathing room during hard times. 7. Automate saving and long-term investing. Once your foundation is stable, start focusing on long-term growth. Saving protects you, but investing helps your money grow over time. But investing can be simple if you avoid unnecessary risks and focus on consistency. Start with retirement accounts if they are available to you. You can also look at options like a Roth IRA, depending on your situation. For many beginners, broad market index funds can be easier than picking individual stocks. Index funds spread your money across many companies, which can reduce the risk of depending on one company. The key is automation. Set money to move into savings or investments on payday. This way, you do not wait for motivation. The system works even when you are busy or tired. Review your money once a month. Check your spending, savings, debt, and investments. Cancel waste, adjust your plan, and keep moving. A strong financial foundation is built through simple steps repeated over time. There you have it, how to build a strong financial foundation from scratch. You do not need to begin with a lot of money. You need clear tracking, a simple budget, a starter emergency fund, less high-interest debt, smart saving, and steady investing. The goal is to create safety first, then build growth step by step. Start with one small action today. Track one expense, cancel one wasteful payment, save your first few dollars, or make one extra debt payment. If this video helped you, click the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Comment below which step you are starting with first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again.